Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to connect to checkout to your Shopify store so you can start accepting international payments smoothly. Whether you are just starting or expanding globally, this guide will get you set up in minutes. Here's what you need before starting a Shopify store: a verified to checkout account, access to your store's admin panel. If you don't already have a to check account, go to checkout.com. Left click on the first link and click sign up. Fill in your business details and payment information, then submit your application. After applying, you will need to verify your account. This may include uploading documents like your ID, business registration, and website details. Once approved, you will get access to the full dashboard. Next, log into your Shopify admin panel. Go to Settings from the left sidebar, then click Payments option. Scroll down to the Manual Payments method section. Since Shopify doesn't support to checkout as a direct gateway natively anymore, we'll connect it using custom manual integration or a third-party plugin. Inside your to checkout dashboard, go to integrations, then webhooks and API, and make sure instant notification system is enabled, and set the secret word. Then go to API, then API credentials, and copy your merchant code and secret word. You will need this for third-party integration. Now return to Shopify and add a manual payments method. Name it something like credit card via something like credit card via to checkout. And write a note like, after placing the order, you will receive a payment link. For a more seamless experience, you can use a third-party app like DirectPay, to checkout gateway plugin, or other checkout bridge apps from the Shopify App Store. And click activate, and go to Shopify admin panel, install the app. For installing the app, go to apps, then app and sales channel settings, then Shopify App Store. Search for DirectPay, or to checkout gateway plugin. Install the app, follow the setup steps, and paste your to checkout credentials. These apps usually handle the redirection and order confirmation automatically. Now let's test it. Go back to shop store, then go to your online store. From here, view your store. Now shop all. Then add a product to cart. Go through checkout and choose your to checkout payment method. If you are using a third-party app, it should redirect to checkout's secure payment page. After payment, your customer will be redirected back to your store. You will see the order inside Shopify like normal. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I have got you back. Thanks for watching.